Hello friends and acquaintances, welcome to another exciting episode from Source Vlogs. In this video we'll be learning advanced filters. In the last video we learned just simple filters. So to apply a simple filter you have to press Ctrl Shift L. I will write it here. Ctrl Shift L. So by this way you can able to make switch on the filters. So now you can see these filters are here, but now because we already learned it, so we are going to learn advanced filtering. So I have set up a range for you. It has several rows with different city names and the areas, salaries and dates. Let me delete this thing, and now we'll go to data tab, and in the sort and filter area you can see underneath filter there is an advanced option. So by using this option we can use advanced filtering. So go to any cell of your range and then go to advanced filtering. So it will automatically list range, it will automatically select your range. But in case if you want to verify, just check if your range is completely selected or not. And the range should be having headers also, because advanced filter works with headers. So now we need to define a criteria. So our criteria will be this, and then we will press OK, and then we will have a advanced filtering. But since we don't have any text here, so the filter is just not working. So we'll be filling that text here to know how it works. So let's just put city Karachi. Go to advanced filters. Just verify your data is being selected and your criteria is also selected and press OK. Now you can see only Karachi has been filtered from your range, and you can see this blue rows with blue numerics. It means your data is being filtered. Now if you want to do some more filtering, so how you can do that? But just before going further, I'll tell you your criteria must have the same headers as of your range, then only your advanced filtering will work. So now let's suppose you have Lal Koti and you have Nursery Pull, Lanta Khan Pull, and there are so many things you want to filter out. You want to filter only those which is having pull. So let's put static pull, static sign. So it will only search for the text in the area header with pull. Let's press enter and then go to your advanced filtering again and then press OK. So you can see Nursery Pull and Nata Khan Pull has been filtered, and you can see only two rows because with Karachi and having a pull area is only having two rows. Let's just delete this and apply the filter again. So you can see there are so many options here. Now if you want to filter salaries, so let's suppose we have different salaries. Let's suppose we want to filter the salaries in Karachi greater than 6,000. So I just wrote greater than sign and 6,000. So let's go to advanced filtering and apply the filters again. So now you can see only salaries which are greater than 6,000 has been displayed. Now let's try some other things. Let's see if we want to have a date greater than 22 May 2020. Let's try to filter again. and now you can see only dates greater than 22nd May has been displayed. So this is how you can do advanced filtering feature. Now let's try something else. Just clear off the range, and now you want to again uh, filter Karachi. Let's try again. Now you have Karachi here, but now you want to see Lahore as well. So how you can filter two criterias from advanced filtering? Go to advanced filtering, and your range is already there, but your criteria is now changed. So you have to update your criteria, and you have to press OK. Now you can see Karachi and Lahore both has been shown here. Now let's suppose in Karachi you want to see everything, but in Lahore you want to see something called Churangi. So you want to see only in Lahore, Karachi you want to see everything, but in Lahore only with Churangi, wherever it's in front, in the beginning or in the end, you just want to see Churangi. So let's try to again filter it out, and now you can see in Lahore you are getting only those rows which is having Churangi in your area. Let's try to do same with Karachi. We want to see only Koti. Let's suppose this is Koti. So now you are putting asterisk here. So because you want to search for Koti everywhere in the area location. Let's try to filter again, and you can see only Koti for Karachi has been displayed. Now let's suppose if you don't want to see Koti in Karachi, so you will put greater than less than, and let's try to filter again. So you can see all has been displayed, but those with having text of Koti in the area will not be displayed. This is how you can use greater than or less than. So now let's suppose we'll delete this one, and we'll say in Karachi we want to see sale is greater than 5,000, and in Lahore we want to see sale is less than 5,000. Let's apply filter again, and you can see your filter has been working very fine. Now if you want to do some more advanced functions in advanced filtering that we will be discussing in the next video, that how you can copy your filtered data into another location, either in the same sheet or in the new sheet. This will be our next lecture, so stay tuned. Goodbye, Allah Hafiz.